everybody, and welcome back to Baking with Tiff. Today we're going to be making a French onion rice chicken dinner. To start out with, we are going to take 2 cups of white rice and pour it in the bottom of our dish. We're going to spread that out. Doesn't have to be precise because we're getting ready to add some more to it. So then we're going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom. And we're going to add 1 can of cream of chicken. We need 1 of these cans filled up with water, and we're going to add to this. Okay, then we're going to add the 1 can filled up with water into this, and we're going to mix all of this together. We're also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of melted unsalted stick butter. Like that's pretty well combined there. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to lay about 2 to 3 chicken breasts right on top of this. Okay, then we're going to pour 1 tablespoon of butter over it. Again, that's that tablespoon of unsalted stick butter. And we're going to add 1 package of the Lipton onion soup. Okay, so we got our onion soup sprinkled over the top here. We're going to bake this on 350 for about an hour. We'll put a piece of foil over top of this while we're baking it, and then this will be ready to go. Let me know what you guys think, and
thanks for watching. Happy baking!